In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add thanks and regards an existing signature of Outlook. We'll cover the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, as well as Outlook for Windows on the desktop. The goal is to update a signature you already use by adding a clear professional sign-off, without creating anything new. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. From there, go to Account, then Signatures. You'll see a list of your existing signatures. Select the one you actively use. In the signature editor, place your cursor where you want the sign-off to appear, typically just above your name or contact details, and type thanks and regards. You can adjust capitalization or punctuation to match your style, like adding a comma or using thanks and regards. But keep it consistent with the rest of your signature. When you are happy with the wording, click Save. That's it. The next time you compose an email, your updated signature will include the new sign-off. Remember, this update applies to future messages. Previously sent emails won't change. Now let's do the same in Outlook Desktop for Windows. Open Outlook, then go to File. Choose Options, select Mail, and click Signatures. In the Signatures and Stationery window, pick the signature you want to modify from the list. In the Edit Signature box, click where you want the line to appear and type thanks and regards right above your name. Keep spacing clean so the sign-off has a line of its own and the signature stays easy to read. When you are done, click Save and then click OK to close out and apply the change. You are all set. Your updated sign-off will appear the next time you compose or reply using that signature. That's the entire process for both new Outlook or web and Outlook Desktop on Windows. Thanks for watching.